Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make timer radiator wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP-MCB circuit breaker, RCCB circuit breaker, contactor, timer radiator. Phase connection to DP-MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection to DP-MCB circuit breaker, neutral connection from DP-MCB to connect RCCB, phase connection from DP-MCB to connect RCCB, neutral connection from RCCB to connect timer, neutral connection to contactor, phase connection from RCCB to connect timer, phase connection to contactor, phase connection to timer another point, output connection from timer to contactor, neutral connection from contactor to timer radiator, phase connection from contactor to timer radiator, earthing connection input to timer radiator. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.